Welcome to Land of House. I'm Seth. It's a very sunny but cold morning, and I've got the GoldenSol 60-watt solar panel. This is a monocrystalline panel that opens up like this. Its closed dimensions are 14-inch by 20-inch. It's got a carrying handle up here, and then it has legs that fold out. Pretty much all of these solar panels have the same kind of leg design. Seems to work fine, so I guess why change it? But this kit comes with a single page instruction book and then a little warranty card. So for the past 5 months or so, I have been charging my cell phone with this little power station, and it can accept a 100-watt panel, and so it should work well with this 60-watt. So when you open this up, it's got some Velcro up here at the top, and you can see the monocrystalline panel right there. So if you open up this little pouch in the front, it's got a decent length cable, and then it does come with several different sizes of barrel plug. Let's see which one I need here for this little power station. All right, this one right here should do well for this. So that just fits on the cable right there. Now let me zoom in so you can see the power box right here. It does have the option to charge through, looks like USB-C and also a regular USB in here. Yeah, so right down in there you can see the USB-C and the USB. So after we charge this little power box for a while, we can then hook up a tablet and charge directly from the panel as well. Setting this up is pretty simple. Just pull the Velcro out from the legs. It's pretty good Velcro. Yeah, there we go. Oops. All right, get that open. Okay, I'm gonna point that up into the sun really good. I'm gonna take that barrel plug and put it into the DC right here, and then we should be able to see the display kick on. Yep, it is now blinking. It's got 76%, and it just says input is DC. So let me give this a couple of minutes, and we will check back to see what percent it goes up to. I gave this about 25 minutes, and the shadow of this tree has now covered the panel, but it is still charging. We're at 81%. Hopefully you can still see that. So yes, this is working as it should, even though it's got some shade on it. So let's go ahead and unplug this one, and we'll set this aside. And then I've got a tablet here that I want to charge, and this is going to use the USB instead of that barrel plug. So let's move the whole panel out from this tree. The sun should be good and clear about right here for the rest of the afternoon. So let's move this here, and then we'll plug that tablet up directly to this and see what it looks like. All right, so hopefully you can see what's going on up under here. All right, there we go. I've just plugged that USB up in there, and then got the USB-C on the other end of this tablet. Okay, that has turned on and is now charging. So let's see, it is 11:50 right now, and this has 17%. Let me turn that off. Let's come back out here in about 30 minutes and see what this has charged up to. It's now been 50 minutes. Let's look at the charge here on this tablet and see how we're doing. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it is 50% on the dot. So go ahead and unplug it. So it's in 1 hour of midday sun, it's taken that tablet from 17% up to 50%. So you can see the benefit of having one of these, charging a device like a cell phone or a tablet if the power is out. The GoldenSol portable 60-watt solar panel has worked exactly as advertised. It's nice to have both the USB-A and the USB-C down here, and there's also a little light that shows that power is getting to the box here. Now the only issue I had is that the adapter, the barrel plug, was a little bit loose, but it charged my power station no problem. So that was one thing, but as long as you don't go moving it around while you're charging things, it'll be just fine. The cord is nice and long. I didn't open that up, but looks like it's at least 10 foot. And this is a 60-watt panel. I was only using about 10 watts at a time to charge up that tablet. So I could have connected the USB-C over here and gotten another, up to 50 watts. Of course, these won't produce 60 watts every time, but there was plenty of power to go around with that. So, all right, let me go ahead and put the adapter back in here. Plenty of room in this little bag to hold that cord. And yeah, it's a nice little kit. So what is a practical application for a solar panel like this? If you threw this into your car when you're camping, or if you had this in your closet at the house, so when the power goes out, you could just stick this out in the sun and charge up your cell phone or your tablet and be good to go. It'll also charge up a little battery backup, so you could keep this going for a long time if you had one of those. The solar panel itself does have a rubber coating over it. Definitely don't recommend bending this at all, or you may break some of those photocells. So it's water resistant, but I probably wouldn't leave this out in the rain for very long. The pouch itself is not water resistant, so you just want to keep this stuff from getting wet. It is nice and thin, so it would fit under your bed or in a closet or even in your car pretty easily for an emergency use. I will leave a link for this in the description down below if you want to check it out for yourself. I think it's a pretty good panel for the price. I'm Seth with Land A House, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.